Good afternoon to everyone. I am Navya from TTWRDC Devarkonda. Today I am here to discuss about Chakali Ailamma from the Telangana history. Before we are going to discuss about her, I want to suggest one thing. We all know we are facing pandemic situation, so definitely you should all follow the precautions about coronavirus and definitely use sanitizer regularly and wear the mask when you go out. Okay, now we return to going our discussion. The famous personality and greatest personality from our Telangana, and definitely we are saying greatly and proudly about her confidence level, and she have such a great remarkable place in Telangana history. The Chityala Ailamma, her original name, and she was famous from her caste name. So we all know about her name from Chakali Ailamma. She was born in 1895 in Krishnapuram and she was died in 1985. During her period, the total authority in upper castes only. We all know about that already. In our old days, when we have got freedom in Telangana state by Nizams, in that period, in the society have very terrible situations, and the lower caste people was faced so many struggles from higher caste people and also Rajaks and Nawabs. During her period also she was faced so many struggles from higher caste people. This same during period, landholder Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy, he was occupied, tried to attempt the occupied her land of 5 acres. When she got that news, or when she recognized that, when she recognized that she lost her land, she immediately started her revolution from the supporters of CPI party, because she belongs to CPI party, Communist Party of India, is there in our India still now also. When she started the revolution against Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy Deshmukh, she started and also she started faces so many problems also from them, and she lost her husband and also also son in this struggle. Decided to against the struggle about Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy. He completely dominate about her family. In this struggle, she lost her son and husband, but she never quit in this struggle. During her period, the lower caste people living like slaves under the higher caste people, and the Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy was attacked on Ailamma's family. In the attack of Ailamma's family, the Ailamma's daughter also raped by the Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy supporters. Okay. And she still, they lost her family, but she never backward stepped to stop that struggle of revolution. So that's why we famously known as a revolutionary woman and such a great woman from the Telangana history. And we proudly say about her, she belongs to Telangana. And one more great personality from our Telangana, Doddi Komarayya, and he was also died from this struggle. He also supporter of Chakali Ailamma. During her period, in this society have very terrible situation, and these situations have when lower caste people walk in front of higher caste people, they should follow some stupid rules. When they walk in front of higher caste people, they can't. They should not walk with them cheppals or with them slippers. they should take them slippers in their hands, and they should walk with down heads. Sorry, no. She completely against that rules. So that is the reason she got so many enemies from the higher caste people like Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy, etc. And she never quit about from her started revolution. When she started against Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy, she immediately take the struggle, or she immediately started the revolution when she realized that, or when she recognized that she lost her own land, 5 acres of land, 5 uh, so that's why we are saying she's not only in Telangana history, in the whole Indian history, she's a very great personality and very inspirational personality. We proudly say about her because she belongs to Telangana, and she completely against the living like slaves under the upper caste people, or also said higher caste people. The Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy also completely acts like a very cruel activity, also in lower caste people. Okay. And she started her revolution from the supporters of CPI party, and we proudly say about her, she is such an amazing personality and such a greatest personality in our Telangana history. And I hope I am very happy to say about her, because she is such a greatest personality in our Telangana and very inspirational personality from our Telangana history. And we should definitely appreciate about her level of confidence, and she is the symbol of braveness and also spiritual personality.
Krishna.
Also in her period, not only men and also women who belongs to the higher caste people, the domination of women and men equally on the lower caste people, including the Chakali Ailamma also. She completely against the rule of stupid and cruel behavior on lower caste people. And also her revolution also, she strongly stand by her own confidence, and definitely we appreciate about her confidence level. And the Chakali Ailamma was faced the cruel behavior from Visnuri Ramachandra Reddy Deshmukh, who we discussed about, who belongs to higher caste, and during her period, not only Chakali Ailamma and also so many lower caste people who is living in this period of Chakali Ailamma. The lower caste people all so many struggles faced from higher caste people, and today I am very feel glad to discuss about Chakali Ailamma, because she is such a great inspirational personality from our Telangana history. The achievements not come easily. It's proved by our greatest woman today, Chakali Ailamma. So now I completed my today's topic which I select today, and thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Thank you for my of TTW RDC Devarakonda, and stay home, stay safe.